now that we have a nice clean concrete pad to work on, we are going to save the Peterbilt from landing in the middle of the driveway finally. May have been a little bit later, but if you guys missed the last Peterbilt video, we took apart the rear to change that seal that's been leaking, and we kind of ran into some issues with a yoke. Well, here we are a little bit later. We're finally getting back to it. You guys know we've been working on the 05, and we're finally getting back to the Peterbilt today. We've got some tires that we're going to dismount. We'll get into that, but we've got a new yoke. Our yoke the last time was pretty much trashed, so we've actually got a new style yoke. It actually switches to a strap style because the other one was actually, the old style was more expensive with that style caps, so we switched to a strap style yoke, which should be good. Same exact part number, just strap style instead of cap style. We went ahead and switched our caps over to that, so our rear drive shaft is still good. We went ahead and rebuilt that, and really we're just ready for reassembly. Now, as you guys heard, we're still working on the starting issue and the fuel issue. What we've got to remedy that, which we hopefully will get to today as well, is we're gonna ditch that filter style, which we'll get into again. The most important part about this whole video and this install is you gotta, if you're gonna own a, you know, a kitty cat, you gotta keep at least one can of yellow spray paint on deck. But we've got a new filter. This is what would have came on the truck if we didn't have that see-through glass. And you guys recommended doing a primer pump. Both of these things, the filter and the primer pump, apparently can bleed down and leak internally and not ever show a external leak. So we're gonna start with those two first, right after we get done doing the drive shaft. So there's your intro back on the Peterbilt. And yeah, how we doing, Michelle? Guys, there's a little discrepancy in, by the way, also, I'm just gonna do it now. This is not my vehicle. That is Michael's girlfriend's vehicle, because I know you guys in the comments, I'm gonna put the camera here, one little thing, and they're gonna see it, and they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, Greg bought a Cadillac! All right, so Michael doesn't know what I'm doing right now. We need to take a poll. We got Silent Mike, we got Mexico Mike, we got Magic Mike, we got Dirty Mike. I mean, there's just so many Mike nicknames, when really he likes to be called Michael, but, and let's just clear up one thing here, because I don't know how many people really did or did not understand the whole Mexico Mike thing. But when you go to do, you know, fun legal activities, as in drag racing, everything else, they always happen in Mexico. Well, you know, Nitrous Mike over here likes to party, and everything that he recommends usually involves going faster, doing sketchier things. That's where Mexico Mike came from, in my opinion. You know, had nothing to do with anything else. But
confused of my hat and
oh, your haircut. Oh, right. Yeah, no, it had nothing to do with that. So, you know, as always, guys, hit the like button, subscribe if you are not already, and here is your chance within the first minute of the video to drop a comment down below on what, you know, what do you think? But anyway, we're gonna get back to work, and you know, Michael would get to decide, but guess what? In life, you do not get to decide your nicknames. People give them to you. So here we go. We're gonna pop that drive shaft in, get that yoke in. Back up, Terry! Back up, Terry! Oh Lord, Terry! As you go into the grass, fall over, tip over. My goodness. Yeah, I'll take a piece of wood. Give her the old Slamskis. It's a certified tool that you can get on Snap-on.
it's a torque board.
You say torque board?
Yep. Okay.
Oh, center home gym. What's a torque spec for this?
Tight AF.
That's even better than Guten tight.
twist it a little bit.
All right, phase one, we have got some grease in our newly rebuilt drive shaft. We got our yoke in there, got her all torqued to spec, new U-joints, and we are good to go. We're now finally ready to move this thing. So we've got new U-joints in pretty much everything. Is that it? That's so we only got one that's really not, but she's, you know, she's fine. She's good. So new U-joints. All right, we're gonna move her over here to complete the rest of the work. That way she's not in the middle of the driveway, just in case we run into anything dumb. So we're gonna move it again. But good old trusty AMSOIL for the win. We're gonna probably grease the rest of the truck. All right, next up, we're going to ditch this fuel filter style and our primer pump here. See if we can't fix our fuel issue. You got the hiccups? Mm-hmm. You okay? You gonna make it?
Chick-fil-A.
Whew.
So we're getting rid of this?
Yes, it's going in the trash. No longer needed.
I like that one.
I know. You're already sad that that's gonna go.
Mm.
Why? Why do you like that one?
I like to see.
You act like we're going to drive this enough to change the fuel filter more than once every 7 years.
Once every 4 years.
How many events are in the year? That's you know, like, I mean, you never know. We might drive it. I'm just kidding. We're going to drive it everywhere. So here we go. This is our new fuel water separator. You know, guys, give us a little break. You know, we're new to the Caterpillar world. But from what I've been told, everybody says ditch this fuel filter style and go with that one. I'm sure there'll be the same amount of people who are going to yell at us for this one. But anyway, guys, the red truck will finally be gone. I know a lot of people have been asking me, DMing me about what's going on. The guy who purchased the red truck needed a little bit more time to get down here to get it. So I believe by the end of this week, it should be gone. So there's that for you. Can you grab that 7/16 again? It's got a 9/16 here and a 7/16 on the bottom.
Oh, you thought I told you the wrong size?
I did, because I went to do this one first. I should have known better that you're never wrong.
Yeah, no.
Definitely not.
I told you the wrong size.
Yeah, Jim's never wrong.
How did you check that?
I don't know, but look at this. Yeah, it's bad. I mean, that's what I mean. This is.
Why we can't do that?
Junk. All right, little update. Got the new primer pump on there, got a new gasket. We actually, Allie, of course, saving the day as always, is actually going to go get a new, this is a new filter, but we're gonna go ahead, we'll put a cat filter on there as well. So we got a new filter coming for this, and look at this mount that Michael made. My goodness, is that beautiful. Nothing a little black spray paint can't, you know, dress up, but I think he stole some really fancy bolts from the Pro Street truck or something, because these are really nice. So got our universal filter base on here, got it mounted up using some existing holes in there, and we'll have to get some new fittings like so, just like that, and we should be good to go. I thought this was actually going to take quite a bit longer, but we're actually knocking it out. So went ahead and picked this right up from the Cat dealership. I think it's just a universal base though, but we should be ready to fire this thing back up very shortly, as soon as Allie gets back with the fuel filter. So here we go. Hopefully this fixes all of our fuel startup issues. Michael, this bracket here is just a work of art, you know. There's angle iron, and then there's just the angle, you know, just that's art.
Tell everybody about your new saying.
Nothing a little black spray paint can't fix. Tell me that ain't the truth though, boys. You know, a little nick here, a little nick there, nothing. A little black spray can't. Oh shit! Gotta put those in first. Oh man, you just got done tightening that up. You can't even put it in there. Oh man, here, let me get that for you. You got white stuff all over your. See these things, you know, guys, just when I said everything was going smoothly, we ran into a fitting problem, and I literally just made it right before they closed. I didn't even tell you that they close at 4:30. Oh. They were like locking the door as I barged in there. I like kicked the door. I'm like, get out! I gotta finish this video tonight. This thing's got to be running.
Falling green problems.
Yeah, you know, people close up at noon around here, so we had to go run and get some steel JIC O-ring fittings for this filter base. I thought it was NPT, but apparently we were incorrect with that, so we got some new fittings. It looks like Michael has painted things, you know, nothing like a little black spray paint can't fix, you know. We put new hood supports up because hopefully they fit better than the other ones because the hood won't open. And yeah, we need to still take the wheels and tires off the second gen because we got some treatment coming for them. But take a look at this filter base. Looks very nice. You know, what an excellent paint job. Here, I got you something. Got some new filters. Goodness gracious. You know, another good thing to note is that when you change your fuel filters, you might need to make sure that you have some diesel fuel on board. And you know, this O'Reilly's little hand pump is kind of saving the day because we don't want to make a mess. And you know, we might be here a little longer than most, but we are filling up our fuel filters. All right, let's fire this baby up. Well, I guess we won't really technically know if it's fixed until maybe tomorrow around the same time. We'll let it sit for 10 or 12 hours, see if it starts right up, or see if our fuel drainage issue is still happening. But we got 2 new fuel filters on there, new primer pump, new filter base, and this filter is out of the way. It actually looks like it might be close to the tire, but have no fear, we did just check that. And yeah, looks good. Looks really good. Excited. Kind of makes me want to repaint the entire thing because it's kind of seen a little bit better days, but we'll refrain from that. What? Michael's over here laughing at me because I'm like, you know, just something about these cat filters is getting me real excited. And you know, I don't know, man. Yo, lay off me, bro. It's my first big truck, first cat. You know what I'm saying? Everyone gets a. The only thing that's missing from me is a cat front license plate and a cat hat. You know what I'm saying? Just big truck. Come on, big Jim. We need a CB radio. That's what we need. I have one. All right, let's put it in. Okay. All right. Well, anyway, guys, we're really just. Did you already do the other one? Did you already get the other one done? Oh, it's right there. Oh, this one's draining. Oh, there we go. Got her popped. Pop it like it's hot. All right, so we're going to be taking the 24s off the front, and we're going to be running these 22s. Need to get new tires for them because one has a hole in the sidewall. Whoa, easy there, guy. Do you do CrossFit, dude? Anyway, like I was saying, we're going to be taking the 24s off because they just kind of look a little goofy, and we're going to get the same size tires that were on the rear for the front, and we're going to do 22s. We're going to get these babies polished up because we need to be looking right for UCC. So that's the goal. That's the plan. Oh, you got a little Jimmy there. Here, let me do it. You want me to try? Did I get it?
Almost. My man.
Come on, baby! Woo! Babe Ruth in the house. All right, we've got the tires off of the wheels that are going to go in on the front of the Pete, and as you can see, we got the second gen wheels and tires off because these things have seen better days, and we need to get them cleaned up for Nashville, for UCC. So we are going to drop them off and have them get really taken care of. But got some loaner wheels and tires on the second gen. And we're gonna load up the dually. Gonna be a late night, but you know, we'll get them dropped off, get them taken care of. It's time to see these babies shine. And you know, polishing, just I want to learn how to do it, but again, it's just a very very time-consuming thing. We're under a little bit of a time crunch with the 05, so. And then I think we're hopefully gonna get these polished up ahead of time. Everything needs a bath. That is pretty much going to wrap up this video. We are going to hit the road and get these dropped off. Super glad to kind of have the Peterbilt wrapped up and kind of not sitting in the middle of the driveway, but she should be good. We'll test it in the morning. See you guys in the next video on if that fixed our fuel issue or not. But either way, we have the seal fixed and we have new fuel filters, and hopefully that solves our problem. And yeah, we've got plenty of work to do before UCC. We are going to be towing the Diamond with the Pete up to UCC. And yeah, anyway, that is it. No more rambling. That's it. Cut it. I will see you guys in the next video. And yeah, hit the like button. Subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you guys in the next video. See you. Bye. Those lines, though.